Have a shower. Have a bath. Have a rest. Have a sleep. Have a nap. Have breakfast. Have lunch. Have dinner. Have a dream. Have a good time. Have a good fun. Have a haircut. Have a walk. Have a cigarette. Have a cold. Have a fever. Have a headache. Have a stomachache. Have a pain in. Have a heart attack. Have energy. Have a feeling. Have a conversation. Have a chat. Have an argument. Have a fight. Have a date. Have a relationship. Have friends. Have enemies. Have a meeting. Have an interview. Have a job. Have an idea. Have a project. Have homework. Have a trip. Have a picnic. Have a look. Have a drink. Have a ride. Have an adventure. Now let's read a short story using the collocations we just learned. A great day with have. Yesterday was a great day. I had breakfast at 8 a.m. Just some toast and tea. After that, I had a shower and got ready for work. At the office, I had a quick chat with my coworkers, then we had a meeting. Around 11, I had a short break and checked my phone. At 1 p.m., I had lunch with my friend Sarah at a cozy little cafe. We had a great time talking and laughing. Back at work, I suddenly had an idea for my project. My boss loved it. After work, I had a drink with some friends at a rooftop bar. We watched the sunset and just had fun. At night, I was really tired, so I had a bath, had a rest, and then went to sleep. Yes, it was a perfect day, and I'm happy I had it. English Comprehension Quiz. Based on this story, a great day with have. 1. What did the person have for breakfast? A. Eggs and coffee. B. Toast and tea. C. Pancakes and milk. D. Sandwich and juice. Correct answer is C. 2. When did the person have lunch? A. 11 a.m. B. 12 p.m. C. 1 p.m. D. 2 p.m. Correct answer is C. 3. Who did the person have lunch with? A. His boss. B. His sister. C. His friend Sarah. D. His coworkers. Correct answer is C. 4. What happened after the person had an idea at work? A. He wrote a report. B. His boss loved it. C. He went home. D. He forgot it. Correct answer is B. 5. Where did the person have a drink in the evening? A. In a hotel. B. At home. C. In a rooftop bar. D. At a restaurant. Correct answer is C. 6. What did the person do before sleeping? A. Had a snack and watched TV. B. Had a shower and went for a walk. C. Had a bath, had a rest. D. Went straight to bed. Correct answer is C. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.